Whether you're vlogging or recording videos, one thing you must have in your video kit is a shotgun mic. There are several options available in the market, but if you are on a budget and you want something that works wonders, then Boya BY-MM1 is the best option. Hello everyone, this is Bijoy. Today we'll be unboxing the Boya BY-MM1 shotgun mic. This one is compatible with your mobile phones, tablets, computers, DSLR and camcorder. Let me quickly open the box so we can see what is inside. Here's the manual and the warranty card. You get 1 year warranty, by the way. Then you get the mic with the furry windshield. Feels good, like petting a kitten. Then you get these two cables, TRRS for smartphone computers and TRS for DSLR and camcorders. It's good to see they provide both the cables in the box, as most of the high-end mics only come with TRS for the DSLRs. TRRS has to be bought separately. This is a shock mount. It prevents disturbance caused due to vibrations, especially when you are moving around with your camera. And lastly, you get a carry pouch. It has a leather feel to it. Decent quality though. Alright, let's have a look at the mic. I'm in love with this fur. The windshield can be detached. You can use it either with the fur on or off, depending on your surrounding. To take it off, just twist and pull. The mic itself is made out of solid metal and not some flimsy plastic material. To put it back on, twist and push in. The mic makes you sound more natural and blocks out most but not all background noise. I think I'm going to get a kitten now. Here's a comparison between my phone recording, camera mic and the Boya shotgun mic. This is how the audio sounds using my phone mic recording. This is how the audio sounds using the inbuilt DSLR mic. This is how the audio sounds using the Boya BY-MM1 shotgun mic. Clearly, Boya shotgun mic sounds better than the rest. Well, there you have it. Let me know what you think about this mic. If you have any questions, please comment below. I have also provided the purchase link in the description box if you wish to buy one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the review, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.